Bible Chat App Widget. So here is the Bible Chat app. You can find it here. It's really popular from this developer, daily devotional. And then, yeah, what you can do, you can just tap and hold, and let's try to install the widget for this app. So you can just install the widget like that, and then you will have your verse. You will have also like bigger calendar. So there's middle size and then bigger size, and then you can just tap to add widget and done. So then you will see all your proverbs and your streaks, your kind of gamified element. So and then you can just tap on it and open up in the app, and then you can ask more questions about it. So that's basically how you install these widgets, and then you can just remove the widgets from here. Well, then I just don't know whether you can also install lock screen widget. So if I try to, so you can also install the lock screen widget just like that, and then you will just have proverbs instantly even on your lock screen. And when you tap on that, you will be redirected to Bible Chat app. So that's what it is.